International news now, and ahead of his scheduled return to Pakistan on Monday, former Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has said there is no question of accepting Pervez Musharraf even without uniform.
He was talking to CNN-IBN's Karan Thapar for the program Devil's Advocate. Sharif also regretted his handling of the Kargil war and its aftermath.
I and Benazir Bhutto sat down. We signed a Charter of Democracy, which very clearly says that there can be no parleys, no negotiations and no deals with dictator. We've got to struggle for undiluted democracy in Pakistan.
Are you saying she let you down? She's backed out? She's betrayed this Charter of Democracy?
I'm dismayed. I'm disappointed. And I think any democratic party who believes in democracy, any person who believes in democracy, must never think of going with a dictator or strengthening his hands, because you see, at this time when the dictator is on his way out, we don't accept him, neither in uniform nor otherwise. He's not acceptable, and I think the civil society, the political forces of the country, the lawyers community have demonstrated that.
Will General Musharraf, the army chief of the day, be brought before the commission to account for his behavior?
Yes, he is not above the law. He is not above the law of the land. General Musharraf, no matter what position he's holding, if the commission decides to question him or to ask him, if I can appear before the court of law, I appeared as Prime Minister before the Supreme Court. Why can't he do that?
People in India have one question about Kargil. They say repeatedly Nawaz Sharif has said that things were hidden from him. He was not aware of what Musharraf was doing. Yet when he found out, he didn't order the troops to be pulled back. He didn't sack Musharraf. In fact, in September 1999, he appointed Musharraf Chief of General Staff for a full term.
I may not have taken certain actions which I should have. I think I also needed to appoint a commission immediately after this episode. India appointed a commission. It's a good thing. I should have also done the same.
Was that a mistake not to do?
I think so.
Even at the risk of being deported to Saudi Arabia on arrival in Islamabad, even at the risk of being sent to Attock Fort and jail, you are going back and you will be in Pakistan on Monday morning.
I am booked by the flight, which takes off on the 9th.
And watch the entire interview on Sunday night. That's coming up at 8:30 p.m. Devil's Advocate.